So companies can really equip employees with these kind of skills and activities or exercises so that the employees are always ready to adapt to different kind of challenging situations.
Okay.
So that, and I think maybe employees can also be provided some kind of accessibility to mental health resources. As today also everybody, most of us, we do not know who to contact. Should we go to a psychiatrist or should we go to a psychologist? So this kind of, differentiation is also not very clear for a lot of people. So maybe just like, so everybody knows that, if there is some problem, I have to go to the HR person to address it. So employees should know, where to go internally also when they face some kind of issue. So that kind of resource bulletin could be there, or it could be online, where employees are having access to different kind of mental health websites or initiatives or links which can probably help them to ensure that it's a safe space and it
Or
will help.
externally come to Tribe of Transformers, where we already have these resources ready for them.
Yeah, of course. Come on, just this is also a very initiative that I've kind of combined with Tribe of Transformers, because mental health needs that kind of a voice.